Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions set 24. Number 1. How to test oil failure switch? Answer: unplug sensor, unplug power, test the time it takes for time delay to open. Number 2. How to change the condenser on package rooftop unit? Answer: system flush, change LL filter, liquid line filter, change suction filter dryer, change oil and refrigerant, and test for acid after 8 hours of operation. Number 3. When installing a three-way mixing valve on chilled water coil, what is connected to the normally open on the valve? Answer: bypass. How to check vacuum pump integrity after oil change? Answer: close ballast, connect micron gauge, open vacuum valve, and turn on the switch. Number 5. How to leak check R717 chiller? Answer: sulfur stick. Number 6. What to inspect when receiving rooftop unit from supplier? Answer: nameplate damage. Number 7. Location of sensors when setting up air handler for humidification. Answer: cooling coil, heating coil, humidity sensor on supply, temperature sensor on return. Another set. When system trips on freeze stat, what's wrong? Answer: outdoor air damper closes, fan stops, valve goes full heat. Okay, sorry. When system trips on freeze stat, what happens? Answer: outdoor air damper closes, fan stops, and valve goes full heat. Should be what happens when the system trips on freeze stat. Number 2. When replacing core of filter dryer with black sludge. When do you supposed to replace core of filter dryer with black sludge? Answer: the oil is breaking down, change oil and recheck. Number 3. On large multi-fan condenser, the fan is running. Answer: fans closest to headers run continuously, fans further away will cycle. Number 4. How to install heat pump reversing valve? Answer: horizontally on pilot coil on top. Number 5. When using megar to check compressor motor windings, what values are best? Answer: infinity. Number 6. When unit in roof has too much vibrations, what to install? Answer: vibrasorbs for for absorbing vibrations. Number 7. How to install fan cycling device? Answer: attached to discharge line. Share knowledge and help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." Here's the link to my blog for the other sets that I have made. Okay, cheers and have a good one.